Hello learners, how are you? I hope all of you are well. In this particular video, we are going to continue the trigonometry series, and today we are going to solve exercise 12 of R.S. Agarwal. Now question number 1 is, without using trigonometric table, we have to evaluate and find the value of the given questions. So question number 3 of 1 is tan 65 degree upon cot 25 degree, and it is given that this question is also came in CBSE 2019, so we are going to solve it. Now as we know that tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta, so we can write it as cot 90 degree minus 65 degree by cot 25 degree. Then it will be cot 90 minus 65 become 25, so cot 25 degree by cot 25 degree is equal to 1. Simple. So all you need to know in this type of question, just convert any one of these two trigonometric ratios. Okay. Similarly, let us one more question, that is question number 6. Question number 6 is cot 34 degree by tan 56 degree. Also, as we know that cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta, so it will be tan 90 degree minus 34 degree by tan 56 degree is equal to tan 90 minus 34 becomes 56 degree by tan 56 degree become 1. This is your answer. Simple. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is, without using trigonometric table, we have to prove the following equations. So I am going to solve question number 4 and question number 6 here. So the question number 4 is cot 34 degree minus tan 56 degree is equal to 0. So here we are going to solve cot 34 degree minus tan 56 degree and trying to find the value of it. Okay. So cot 34 degree minus, as we know that tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta, so it will be cot 90 degree minus 56 degree is equal to cot 34 degree minus cot 34 degree, because 90 minus 56 is equal to 34. That imply cot 34 degree minus tan 56 degree will be equal to this minus this become 0, hence proved. Easy, right? Now question number 6. Question number 6 is cos square 72 degree plus cos square 18 degree is equal to 1. As we know that cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta, so cos square 72 degree plus cos square 18 degree will be equal to sin 90 degree minus 72 degree whole square plus cos square 18 degree, means 90 minus 72 is equal to 18, so it will be sin 18 degree whole square. That means sin square 18 degree plus cos square 18 degree, and as we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 from the formula. This is proved. Simple. Now question number 3 and 4 is similar to question number 2, so I am skipping it for you and going to solve question number 5. Question number 5 is, express each of the following in term of trigonometric ratios of angle between 0 degree and 45 degree. And the question number 1 of 5 is sin 72 degree plus cosec 72 degree. Now in this particular question we have to convert this in such trigonometric ratios so that the angle lies between 0 and 45 means the angle should be less than 45 degree. Now here it is 72 degree, so we have to convert this, and as we know that sin theta is equal to 90 degree minus theta, so it will be cos 90 degree minus 72 degree. Similarly, in this case it will be sec 90 degree minus 72 degree is equal to cos 18 degree plus sec 18 degree. Simple. Take one more question, that is question number 5. Question number 5 is cos 51 degree plus cot 49 degree minus sec 47 degree. In this question all angles are greater than 45 degree, so we have to convert all angles, and as we know that cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta, so it will be sin 90 degree minus 51 degree, and cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta, so it will be tan 90 degree minus 49 degree, and sec theta is equal to cosec 90 degree minus theta, so it will be cosec 90 degree minus 47 degree. By solving it, sin 90 minus 51 become sin 39 degree plus tan 90 minus 49 become tan 41 degree minus cosec 90 minus 47 become cosec 43 degree. You have your answer. Easy. Now question number 6. Question number 6 is, it is given that sin 3a is equal to cos a minus 10 degree, and here 3a is an acute angle, so we have to find the angle A, and as we know that sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, then it will be cos 90 degree minus 3a equal to cos a minus 10 degree. That imply 90 degree minus 3a will be equal to a minus 10 degree. That imply 90 minus 10 को जब इधर लेके आएंगे then it will be plus 10, 90 plus 10 become 100 degree is equal to minus 3a को जब right side लेके जाएंगे then it will be plus 3a, a plus 3a will be equal to 4a. Now that imply a should be equal to 25 degree because 100 divided by 4 is equal to 25 degree. This is your answer. Simple. Question number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 all are similar, but I am going to solve question number 11 here, and it is given that sin theta plus 36 degree is equal to cos theta, and it is also given that theta plus 36 degree is acute, so we have to find theta, and as we know that cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta, that implies it can be written as sin theta plus 36 degree is equal to sin 90 degree minus theta. That implies by comparing this, theta plus 36 degree should be equal to 90 degree minus theta. Hence theta and minus theta become plus theta when we take it from right side of equal to the left side of left side. Then theta plus theta become 2 theta, and 90 degree plus 36 को right side लेके जाएंगे, then it will be minus 36 degree. That implies theta will be equal to 90 minus 36 degree, which is 54 degree by 2 means 27 degree. That implies theta is equal to 27 degree. Simple. This is your answer. Too easy, right? I am leaving question number 12 and 13 for you, and going to solve question number 14. Cos 70 degree by sin 20 degree plus cos 55 degree into cosec 35 degree divided by tan 5 degree, tan 25 degree, tan 65 degree and tan 85 degree. Yes. Now, as we know that cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta, so it will be sin 90 minus 70 degree means sin 20 degree by sin 20 degree. Simple. I am going to solve it directly for your convenience. Okay, and it will improve your mental calculation. Now cos 55 degree will be equal to sin 90 minus 55 degree means sin 35 degree, and then cosec 35 degree divided by tan 5 degree will be equal to cot 85 degree, and tan 25 degree will be equal to cot 65 degree. Now tan 65 degree and tan 85 degree. Now sin 20 by sin 20 become 1 plus sin 35 and cosec 35. Since sin 35 is inverse of cosec 35, so it will be 1 by cosec 35, and cosec 35 cancels each other, then it will be 1. And cot 85 is inverse of tan 85, so cot 85 is equal to 1 by tan 85, and tan 85 cancels each other, so it will be 1. And also cot 65 and tan 65 are inverse of each other, so it will also 1. So 1 into 1 become 1. So it will be 1 plus 1, hence the answer is 2. So it seems hard, but it is too easy, right? Now I am going to solve question number 17 and leaving question number 15 and 16 for you. Try to do it, and if there is any doubt, then message me. Cot theta, question number 17 is cot theta tan 90 degree minus theta minus sec 90 degree minus theta cosec theta plus sin square 65 degree minus plus 60 sin square 25 degree plus root 3 tan 5 degree tan 45 degree tan 85 degree. Okay, so here as we know that tan 90 degree minus theta is equal to cot theta, and cot theta into cot theta will be equal to cot square theta, right, minus sec 90 degree minus theta will be equal to cosec theta, and cosec theta into cosec theta will be equal to cosec square theta, plus sin square 65 degree means sin 65 degree whole square, and sin 65 degree will be equal to cos 25 degree because sin 65 degree is equal to sin 90 degree minus 65 degree, that means cos 65 degree, hence it will be cos square 65 degree, cos square 25 degree, cos square 25 degree plus sin square 25 degree plus root 3 into tan 5 degree is equal to cot 85 degree, and cot 85 degree is inverse of tan 85 degree, so they cancels each other, and tan 45 degree is equal to 1. Simple. Now from the formula, cot square theta minus cosec square theta is equal to minus 1, and cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to plus 1. That imply, and here root 3 into 1 is left, so it will be root 3. So plus 1 minus 1 becomes 0, hence the answer is root 3. Simple. Now I am going to solve question number 20, which is our last question. Question number 20 is sin 50 degree plus theta minus cos 40 degree minus theta plus tan 1 degree tan 10 degree tan 20 degree, there are too many multiplication, into tan 70 degree, tan 80 degree and tan 90 degree, right? Sorry, 89 degree, not 90. It is 89 degree because tan 90 degree is undefined. Hence it will be sine 50 plus theta can be written as cos 90 degree minus 50 degree, and minus into plus will be minus theta. As we know that sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, so cos 90 degree minus 50 plus theta, it will be minus 50 degree and minus theta, minus cos 40 degree minus theta, plus tan 1 degree can be written as cot 90 minus 1 become 89 degree, tan 10 degree can be written as cot 90 minus 10 become cot 80 degree, and tan 20 degree will be equal to cot 90 minus 20 degree means cot 70 degree into tan 70 degree, tan 80 degree and tan 89 degree. Now 90 minus 50 become 40 degree, and 40 minus theta, hence it will be 40 minus theta cos 40 minus theta, cos 40 minus theta minus cos 40 minus theta cancels each other, then it will be 0. And as we know that cot 89 degree and tan 89 degree are inverse of each other, so they will give the value 1, and cot 80 and tan 80 will gives the value 1, and cot 70 and tan 70 will gives the value 1. So this is 0 and this is 1, and answer will be 1, simple. Now for your clarification, I am writing here cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. So that implies cot theta into tan theta is equal to 1. Okay, got it? Now if you have any doubts, then message me, and see you tomorrow with another video.